Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. And in this video tutorial, I will discuss about noun phrase. So we will learn about noun phrase in this video tutorial. Let's get started. First thing first, let us see some examples first. So let us go through this sentence. A basket of fresh apples is on the table. So in this sentence, the noun phrase is a basket of fresh apples. Let us see another sentence. I met my best friend today. And in this sentence, the noun phrase is my best friend. Let us see the third sentence. The three little kittens were adopted by the old couple. So in this sentence, the three little kittens is a noun phrase. Now, the big question is, what is noun phrase and how to identify a noun phrase in a sentence? So that's what we will learn in this video tutorial. So stick around and as I continue. First thing first, let us see the definition. What is a noun phrase? So a noun phrase is a group of words that work like a single noun. Alright, so it's a group of words that work like a single noun. As you know that a sentence is a group of words, right? So in a sentence there is a section of words which work like a single noun, and that part is a noun phrase. Let us see this example. The tall, dark haired man in the corner. So in this sentence, the part which is highlighted in blue is a noun phrase. Let us see another example. A bouquet of roses was delivered to me. So in this sentence as well, the part which is highlighted in blue is a noun phrase. Let us see this third sentence. All admired the painting on the wall. So in this sentence as well, the one which is highlighted in blue is a noun phrase. If you look carefully, the noun phrase is not a single entity or a single word, but a group of words. Now, how to identify a noun phrase in a sentence? So, what are the characteristics or what are the characters of a noun phrase? Let us see the structure first, how a noun phrase appears in a sentence. So, usually there will be the determiner, and then we will have the modifier. After that, there will be the noun, and then lastly, we have the post modifier. If we keep this structure in a sentence, then it will be like the little boy is playing outside. So in this sentence, determiner we have the, then we have the modifier adjective, which is little. And then we have the noun boy. And in post modifier, we have the verb is playing and then the preposition outside. Right? So in this sentence, the little boy is a noun phrase. So little boy is a noun phrase. Right? So modifiers could be determiner, adjectives, all right? Then we have possessive, numbers or quantifiers. And in post modifiers, there will be a verb or verbs and prepositions. Now, what is the purpose of a noun phrase? So noun phrase is used, or we write with noun phrase so that we can give more detail, make it more expressive and attractive. Like in the sentence, the fluffy furred cat is ours. Let us see another version of the same sentence. The furred cat is ours. Which one is more detailed and attractive? Yes, most likely the first one. The fluffy furred cat is ours. Let us see another example. The white bearded man in his red jumper is Santa Claus. Let us see another version of the same. The man in his red jumper is Santa Claus. Yes, so which one is more detailed and expressive? Yes, the first one, right? The white bearded man in his red jumper is Santa Claus. So in these two sentences, the first part, the fluffy bird cat is a noun phrase. All right, and in the second sentence, the white bearded man in his red jumper is a noun phrase. All right. Yes, let's continue. How to identify the noun? I mean the head noun. Yes, so the head noun plays an important role in finding out the noun phrase in a sentence. So head noun means yes, the main noun in a sentence where everything is related to that noun. Like the head noun is the main word that the phrase is about. Right? Now see, if I give you an example like say for your family, you have your father, right? So you all are related to your father. So the most important member in your family, yes, most likely it is your father, right? So similarly, head noun is the father in a sentence, right? That means everything in the sentence will be about that head noun, and head noun will tell us which part in the sentence is a noun phrase, right? So all other words could be like determiners, adjectives, as we already know about it, which are modifiers like determiners, adjectives, or some in some cases there will be another noun. Then we have the prepositions, that is prepositional phrases, or the other group of words that describes the head noun. Like in this sentence or in this example, the big fat dog is famous in the neighborhood. Right, in the neighbor. The big fat dog is famous in the neighbor. Right? So, which one is the noun phrase here? So, the big fat dog is the noun phrase in this sentence. Let us break up this sentence. The big fat dog is famous in the neighborhood. Let us see. Step 1. Identify the nouns. Yes. So you need to find out the nouns in a sentence. Like in this sentence, we have two nouns, dog and the neighborhood. Right? And step 2. Yes, pick the nouns before the preposition. Yes, you have to pick the noun which is before a preposition in a sentence. If you look carefully in the sentence, then you will notice that the noun dog is appeared before the preposition in. So the head noun is dog here. Now, pretty simple. Identify the words describing the noun. Yes, the other words which is describing or giving us detail about the head noun. That is the big fat, right? So that's what or how we can identify a noun phrase in a sentence. So in this sentence, the big fat dog is a noun phrase. All right? Now, what if multiple nouns appears in a sentence? Yes, there could be a sentence where there will be more than one noun. Like in a sentence, give her the box of chocolates. So we have in this sentence noun box and the other noun is chocolates. So which one is the noun phrase here or the head noun here? Yes, the box. The box is the head noun here. Right? So the noun phrase would be the box of chocolates. Next, the old chapel in the town is scary. So which one is the head noun here? Yes, can you identify? Yes, the noun just before the preposition. Here the preposition is in. So we have chapel. Right? Chapel. So chapel is the head noun here. So the noun phrase would be the old chapel. In this example, the New English Grammar book was helpful. Yes, which one is the head noun here? We have the head noun book. Right, so the head noun is book here. So we have the noun phrase, the New English Grammar book. Because the other words, the New English Grammar book is describing the head noun book here. Similarly, in the previous sentence, the old is describing the head noun chapel. Right. And next, the box. Yes, the chocolates are giving more information about the head noun box. The box of chocolates. Let us see another example. Several interesting stories about animals. Right, so which one is the head noun here? Yes, we have the head noun stories. Right. And the other group of words which is describing a story is several interesting. So the phrasal noun in this sentence is, the noun phrase is several interesting stories. Right? Okay. In this given three sentences, you have to find out the noun phrase. The book on the table belongs to me. The first thing first, find out the head noun. So which one is the head noun here? Yes, it will appear just before the preposition. So we have the noun book here, and the is a determiner. So we have the noun phrase, the book on the table. Right? The book on the table. Let us see the next one. My dream is a big house near the lake. So which one is the head noun here? Pause the video, take your time. Right. So here we have the head noun dream. Right? Dream. We have the head noun dream here. And the rest is describing the dream. So the noun phrase is my dream is a big house. So the noun phrase is my dream is a big house. And the last sentence, those 5 little piglets are sold. It's easy. Yes, piglets. Piglets is the head noun here. The other group of words describing it, right? So the noun phrase is those 5 little piglets. So that's how we can identify a noun phrase in a sentence. I hope this video tutorial will be helpful and it will help you to understand noun phrase. I will see you with another topic in another video tutorial.